video. It's me, Cheyenne the Fox, and I'm here with
Nora Lost. That was off camera. Hey guys, it's girl Nora, back at it again in another glorious video.
with Cheyenne the Fox. Yeah, this is actually my YouTube channel, but she's in my...
Cause why the fuck not?
Yeah, why the hell not? Like she said, why the fuck not?
We're here with Loki, the Tail of Doom.
Yes, Loki the Tail of Doom. That's his new name. Nora, get out of the side. You guys see the dog too. You know, you can't always take all the blame. Yeah, so yeah, we're just taking Loki, the Tail of Doom, for a walk. Hey Nora, you got anything to say?
Check out my channel. You guys can't see me because fuck the sun.
Right. Her YouTube channel is Nora Lost, so... What the hell? What the hell?
He had it stuck in his mouth. He was just like...
Yeah, sorry about that. Come on, Loker's Tail of Doom. Yeah, that's my dog's new name. It's Loker's Tail of Doom. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, dear God. So, yeah. Nah. Hey, Nora, you want to make a weird, silly face? To my subscribers?
Isn't my face enough?
No, you have to do a weird, silly face. Or do that, yeah. That's her way of saying hi. I can't do it. She said a long time. I can't do it. Like, I cannot do it for shit. So, yeah. It's a minute 57.
Let's see who's stronger, the dog or me?
Yeah, let's see who's stronger.
Loki, you're supposed to go the opposite direction.
Look, go. Apparently, the dog is stronger.
I was caught off
Just-
guard. I was caught off guard.
Okay. Yes, look at Nora's glorious red hair. Yeah, she does a weird little dance. Hey Nora, look, you're famous.
I'm fucking short and off camera.
Yeah, and I'm fucking tall as hell, bitches. So yeah, comment down in the comments to see who you want to do the intro on the next video. Alright, see ya, bitches. Bye.